In this session, we will show the integration procedure between 1CPerform and other databases. 1CPerform has several types of connection to external data sources, exchange with other 1C solutions using the built-in capability of the 1C platform, and connection with data sources which support the DIR technology. So let's look at our example case. We have a group of companies, Elcar company and Elmota company. For Elmota purchases department, actual data for a price list will be uploaded from 1C drive. For Elcar purchases department, actual data for a price list will be uploaded from MS SQL database. The planned data for the labor budget for both companies will come from the Oracle database. We will need to go through the following steps. In the first step, we will describe infobase types. Infobase type is a group of external infobases with a similar metadata structure. In the second step, we will add connection settings with external infobases in 1CPerform. After that, we will import metadata structure and prepare master data mapping between 1CPerform and external databases. Then we will configure data sources for report types, and in the final step, we will make a data exchange. Let's begin step 1. Go to the menu Integration and Master Data Management and click the link Infobase Types. According to our example case, we have three database types: 1C Drive, MS SQL, and Oracle. Add them to the list. For 1C Drive, connection type will be 1C Enterprise 8.3. For MS SQL, connection type connect via Edo. And for Oracle, the type of connection, as well as for MS SQL, connect via Edo. After defining infobase types, move to the list of external infobases and add information about connection settings. Start with 1C Drive. Fill in the description. It may be the name of the database. Choose the external source type. Specify infobase placement. In our case, it's a local directory. And put in the name and password of a user who has access to the external database. Checking connection. OK, connection established. Save and close. Add connection settings for Oracle database. Fill in the name. Specify the external source type. Data storage type, choose other manual settings. Fill in the connection string. OLEDB provider. In our example, for this database, it will be Oracle provider for OLEDB. Fill in the data source, username and password. Check connection. Connection established. Apply. Save and close. And last database, MS SQL. Specify the name and make the same settings as well as for Oracle database. Fill in connection string, data source, username, specify OLEDB provider. Check connection. Connection established. Apply. Save and close. Move on to the next step and upload metadata structure for our infobase types. Let's start from 1C Drive. Infobase types. 1C Drive. Specify reference external infobase. 1C Drive. Save and import data structure. Now, all information about structure of 1C Drive is stored in 1CPerform. We may check it. Infobase catalogs, with their attributes, info-based chart of accounts, information registers with their dimensions and resources. Okay, that's all for one C drive. Close it and proceed with MS SQL info-based type. Specify the reference external info-base, work, save, and for external resources which use ADO connection, the system has the additional option, uploading data structure selectively. When an external database has a lot of tables, but we plan to use only few of them, we may upload data structure only of these tables. That's why instead that's to press the button import data structure, we go to menu more actions, add tables, and press the button import tables from ADO connection, choose the option selectively by names. Put in the name of the tables from which we will collect information. In our example, we plan to work with two tables for MS SQL, product and product list price history. Product. Product price list history. Okay. Import details. Information about database tables and their attributes has been imported in one CPM form. We may check it. Okay. Close current info-based type and go to the Oracle. Let's do the same procedure as for MS SQL. And in our example case, HR Oracle data will be collected from employees table. Additionally, the application has the very useful option of viewing data of ADO tables directly from one CPM form. For this, we should press the button Data View. We have finished the import data structure step. Now we can start the master data mapping process. Well, begin with mapping for one C drive. Open one C drive info-based type and press the button Setup Correspondence. We will map three catalogs: unit of measurement, products, and currency. Let's start with unit of measurement. Structure of external master data is located on the left side of the window, and the structure of one CPM form master data is located on the right side. Map catalog unit classifier with a catalog classifier of measurement units. Make mapping of attributes using drag and drop. Short name symbol, full name description, wood code, code. After we need to specify key fields for synchronization. For us, it will be, for instance, symbol field and save changes. Continue and add mapping rules for other catalogs. Create a new one. Map catalog products and catalog product range. Products, product range. Again, make mapping of attributes using drag and drop. Code, description, detail. Okay, and if we move down, as we can see, this row, system automatically selects mapping rules for reference attribute. If we mapped, of course, we mapped them before. In our case, the unit of measurement. Save. Don't forget specify key fields for synchronization. In our case, it will be code and save changes. Repeat the same steps for the currency catalog. Okay. So using this procedure, we can prepare a mapping of product catalog between one CPR form and MS SQL database. Let me open. Okay. Look at this rule. And prepare mapping of employee catalog between one CPR form and Oracle database. Oracle, start correspondence, this one. Okay. Good. Let's pay attention on some features. Firstly, when we map other tables, let's return to MS SQL, for instance. Key fields for synchronization must have the same value type in other tables and one CPR form. Like in this example, product ID, this is key fields for synchronization, and product ID have the same value type. Sorry, not product ID, product number. Product number, where is it? Yes, this one. Product number, string value type in Oracle database, and product ID, string value type in one CPR form database. That's why we can use these key fields for synchronization. Otherwise, if we use key field as a key field for synchronization fields which have absolutely different value types in one CPR form and Oracle database. In this case, application can't synchronize master data during searching. That's why we should pay attention on this feature. And the second feature, also, let's open it again. We may use execute procedure before writing an object. It helps to do additional operations with the object in user mode during uploading and avoid programming in designer mode. Okay. Look at another additional settings in the integration part. Go to the menu catalog settings. And for instance, choose product range catalog. Okay, open. And in the first step, in the main tab, we can manage importing settings such as create if search failed during import and update attributes during import. This is all about the mapping part. Let's move to the next step and configure data sources for report types. Go to the menu Budgeting, Reporting and Analysis, Report Types and Templates. We will work with two report types, labor budget and price list. Start from the price list, open a report designer, and we'll choose the mode indicator calculation formulas, and we will create two calculation rules. One calculation rules for uploading data from MS SQL, and the second for uploading data from OneSeed Drive. Okay, let's start from OneSeed Drive. Data. Specifying public type, OneSeed Drive, save and close. create other calculation rule, scale, specifying for base type, scale, save and close. For both calculation rules, we need to create data sources. Choose one C drive, create a new data source. Receive method for this data source, we will choose information register for external database, information register product prices. System automatically defines registers, resource, and slice kind, and also automatically selects corresponding settings which we made before on the previous step. So we in this tab we need to specify filling method here for currency. Currency we can get from price type. Okay, open price type and choose this field using drag and drop. Put this field in the right side. Okay, save and close. Choose this data source and save our calculation rule. Move to another calculation rule, scale. Create new data source. Current receipt method, we choose table from edit connection. Add a table product list price history. Open from the left side the structure of this table. Okay, information regarding product we can get from product ID. That's why we using drag and drop put them here. And here we should identify field regarding product ID again. It will be code in our product range catalog in one CPM form, and key fields, key field for synchronization. Save and close. Okay. Unfortunately, we don't have information regarding currency in product list price history, so we can assume that, for instance, in SQL we store prices in euro currency. That's why here filling method we can choose fixed value and specify a currency like euro. Okay, and value for us it will be not product ID but list price. This is a field stores information regarding prices in product list price history. Type it here and save and close. Okay. Choose this data source in our calculation formula and save changes. Okay, we finished with price list and continue and repeat the same actions for labor budget. Open this report kind, open report designer, and as well as for previous step, we choose the mode indicator calculation formulas and create two calculation rules. One calculation rule for car company and another calculation rule for motor company. Description. Okay, uploading data for paper. Specifying for base type, Oracle, save and close, and create. Let me copy. Remote. Specifying for base type, as well as for car company, it will be Oracle database, save and close. Okay, and now we need again create data sources for both calculation rules. Open this one. Start from calculation rule uploading data for car company. and create data source. Receipt method, here we choose table from Edo connection. Edo table, we have only one table with which we work in Oracle. In our example, it's in place, and system automatically selects correspondent settings which we made on the previous step for Oracle, and we need to specify correct value field as a source. For us, it will be salary. Okay, and we use one Oracle table for both companies, but for LK, we will collect data with department ID equal 50, and for Elmoto, we will collect data with department ID equal 80. That's why now we work with LK, so make filtration for a data source, choose department ID, fixed value 15. Okay. And save our changes. Here is an option. It's not only for this data source, not only for Oracle. For all data sources, we have the button verify, and we can choose this option that's to verify our settings. For instance, if we press this button, system will show system connects with Oracle database and will show which figures we will get if we will use these settings in data source. Okay, everything is correctly for us, and save and close. Choose this data source and save our calculation rule. Move to Elmoto company calculation rule and repeat our actions. Table in place, salary, and make filtration our data source, department ID, fixed value 80. Okay, save. Also, we can verify. And save and close. Choose this data source and save calculation rule. Now all preparation steps are finished. We are ready to upload data. Before uploading actual report data, we need to upload master data. So go to the menu integration and master data management, choose the link in external info bases, and start from OneC Drive. Open this external info, choose this OneC Drive external info base and press the button import master data. Here we see correspondent settings which we made before in the previous step, and press the button import data. System imported master data from OneC Drive, so we can move to another master data. Adventure Works, it's our MS SQL, and also press the button import data. Okay, for employee, for Oracle external info base, we don't need this separation because information regarding salary and about master data is stored in one table. That's why master data and figures with salary we upload during the process uploading in the report instance document. So we don't do it for Oracle. Okay. After that, go to the menu budgeting report and analysis, open report instances. We will upload data for labor budget and price list. And for scenario actual. Okay, we already prepared these documents. Let's start from a car company price list. Open this report instance now is empty. If we look at the settings of this report, here we see this calculation rule for a car company. We choose uploading data from MSSQL for price list. And press button fill in by default. In system, uploaded data from MSSQL regarding prices. And also we can see product range, our master data, which we uploaded before. Save and close. Open again price list, but already for Elmotor company. Also look at the settings, report settings for Elmotor. We have calculation rule, uploading data from OneC drive. Very close, and fill by default. Okay. System uploaded information from OneC drive regarding prices. Save and close. Okay, and make the same actions for labor budget for Elmotor and for Elcar company. Open labor budget report. Look at the settings for labor budget. We choose calculation rule uploading data for Elmotor. Okay. Fill by default button. System uploaded data from Oracle for Elmotor and make the same for Elcar. Check our report settings, uploading data for Elcar. Fill by default. Save and close. We uploaded all data from external infobases. Our session regarding integration part is finished.